Sister, quite like family.
If I close my eyes, I can see Mom in here like it was yesterday.
She is here. She's in every pot, in every pan. We are standing on her. You dumb bitch, young bitch, silly bitch, dead bitch, girl.
Hey. We got a lot of food.
Shut your ass up.
Let her make way for real men.
I'ma let him spin like a spiral. Straight up, I don't got no love for no rival. Straight up, put him on the news, he went viral.
It's mine!
I made the stuffing. You like it?
Tasty.
Thank you.
I'm gonna be a copycat.
Thank you.
I want some stuffing too. Look at that.
Hey, Cameron, you mind passing me the green beans, please?
I got you.
Don't eat too much. We should save some from the shelter. Right, Granddad?
That's right, buddy.
This is really delicious.
I love the new paint on the porch.
Get your fucking hands in the air. I ain't gonna say it again, motherfucker. Get your fucking hands in the air.
Shut your ass up.
Who is this white man?
Welcome to How to Cook That. Why are they even doing this? Wow, they made jelly. Ooh, pretty impressive. At least I might have something salvageable that I can give to Dave.
Oh, gee. Tasty.
It's a bit, hold on. It's a bit like a burnt gummy waffle.
We're set up by the Malone family.
The Mafia Malones?
Handwritten.
Once
Dave.
dead, there's only one person.
That's a flat out no, and I'm not changing my mind.
$4,000.
I believe it would be the greatest Christianity thing I could do to help somebody in need.
I got
This is not a hotel.
Madea.
I'm gonna get completely naked and get up in there with you and spoon. How you doing? Where your family?
Oh, they're sleeping still.
What? They got to get out.
You better get your ass out this bed.
Yeah, my head off, got every market. Yeah, what do we have? No, so what? Oh, yeah.